Maintaining a clean and shiny car can be a daunting task, but with the right products and tools, it can be a rewarding experience. In this study, we will explore the ultimate car cleaning products and tools that will help you achieve a spotless and well-maintained vehicle. Car wash soap. Car wash soap is an essential product for any car cleaning regimen. It helps to remove dirt, grime, and road debris from the surface of the car without damaging the paint or leaving streaks. Look for a pH-balanced formula that is safe for all types of paint and finishes. Microfiber towels. Microfiber towels are a must-have tool for any car cleaning enthusiast. They are super absorbent, lint-free, and gentle on the car's surface, making them ideal for drying, buffing, and applying wax or polish. Detailing brushes. Detailing brushes come in various sizes and shapes and are designed to clean hard-to-reach areas such as air vents, crevices, and wheels. They are made of soft bristles that won't scratch the surface of the car and can help to remove dirt and debris from tight spaces. Wheel cleaner. Wheel cleaner is a specialized product that helps to remove brake dust, road grime, and other contaminants from the wheels. Look for a formula that is safe for all types of wheels and won't damage the finish. Clay bar. A clay bar is a unique cleaning tool that helps to remove stubborn contaminants such as tar, bugs, and tree sap from the car's surface. It works by gently rubbing the clay bar over the paint, pulling out the contaminants and leaving the surface smooth and clean. Foam cannon. A foam cannon is a tool that attaches to a pressure washer and uses a specialized foam solution to coat the car in a thick layer of suds. The foam helps to loosen and remove dirt and grime from the surface of the car before it is rinsed off, leaving the paint clean and shiny. Polish and wax. Polish and wax are the final steps in the car cleaning process and help to protect the paint and enhance its shine. Polish is used to remove minor scratches and imperfections, while wax provides a protective layer against the elements and adds shine. Maintaining a clean and well-maintained car requires the right products and tools. From car wash soap and microfiber towels to detailing brushes and foam cannons, there are many products and tools available to help you achieve a spotless and shiny vehicle. Using the right products and tools, combined with proper techniques and a little elbow grease, can make the car cleaning process a rewarding and satisfying experience. Thanks for watching.